Hello viewers, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G has received a new update, that is November 2023 security patch level. Update frequency of Samsung S20 FE 5G is excellent. I have been receiving lot of updates every month. Though this update is not a big one, but it is a significant one. It will give you the security patch level update. The update size is only 260 MB. A lot of users are skeptical about update because after updating their smartphone to the latest version, a lot of smartphones are getting infected with green line issues. So let me install this update and give you an overview about the screen, about the performance, the cameras and the heating issue. After updating to the latest version, I can see that there is no issue with the screen. The display seems to be very snappy and fluid, and there is no green issue on this smartphone. And I have played some HDR videos, and HDR content on this phone is excellent, as you can see here. In indoor condition, S20 FE's display is excellent, though there is some legibility issue while you are in outdoor condition. But HDR content on this phone is excellent, as you can see here. As this smartphone comes with 6.5 inches of Super AMOLED display, it gives you a punchy color and the display looks very vibrant while using HDR content on this smartphone. So after update, I faced no problem. Now coming to the cameras of S20 FE has improved a lot after the update, though it was very good earlier also. But after some update, the slow motion camera were not working. But after update, the issue has been solved. I have tested the cameras outside and I got some good results using this smartphone. The photography is excellent as it was before. You can see here the details, and the saturation level seems to be on point this time. There is no added saturation to this picture. S20 FE comes with Pro Good cameras. All the three cameras are excellent, and against the sun, as you can see here, it gives you a good dynamic range. Here you can see the sky with overcast condition. Here the clouds are visible and the sun is little bit overexposed here, but it maintained well. Now let me give you another example where you can see how the cameras are performing in this smartphone. In videography section, you can shoot 4K 60 FPS video with the main sensor, whereas you can shoot 4K 30 FPS videos with all the three cameras. In normal day-to-day condition, videography is very good on this phone and the stabilization is also on point, as you can see here. So you can use it as a videography phone. I have extensively used the cameras and tested it in outdoor condition, and I got some good results using the camera of S20 FE 5G. The main sensor of this phone is excellent, as you can see here. The details are optimum and it is social media ready if you want to share. One thing I noticed that there is no color distortion in all the three modes while it is in ultra wide or main sensor or telephoto lens. There is no color shifting issue in this smartphone. So a big thumbs up to Samsung for their excellent effort in camera setup. In daylight condition, the telephoto lens also performs very well, as you can see here. The details are very good and you can get a clear and crisp image using the telephoto lens. The main sensor also is very good. The wide angle sensor in this camera is also very good. Let me give you an example so that you can understand. Here you can see that there is no color distortion and the saturation level is on point. So the added saturation that was before is gone now. So in the conclusion, it might be said that this is a very good update. It fixes some issues. But one thing I noticed while using this smartphone, some heating issue is there after the update. Though Samsung will definitely fix this issue by giving another update and the heating issue will be gone when you use this smartphone extensively. Hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you.